Kyle Fisher is father of 2 in Saskatoon. And like so many newer parents, he's only been in the role during pandemic times. His 2.5-year-old son was born right before COVID-19 hit Saskatchewan in March of 2020, and his infant is just 4 months old. Fisher says he's relieved his son finally can be vaccinated and that his youngest will follow close behind.
My wife and I kind of feel like it's just been us against the world sometimes, especially last year when all the adults in our lives were able to be vaccinated, and it kind of felt like the kids under 5 were left behind.
Meanwhile in Regina, Sarah Wilkie says she cannot wait to get her 3-year-old daughter protected. She says the family has been vigilant in keeping the toddler healthy, but has been anxiously waiting for this day to come. However, Wilkie says she doesn't have a lot of faith that the province will be able to meet the demand in a timely manner.
I feel like in more recent months and even this last little while, the province has kind of turned its back on us as parents, right, by removing things like the vaccine mandates and masking.
For Saskatchewan pediatricians, today is a joyous occasion. They say they're ready to go with all hands on deck to get little ones vaccinated as quickly as possible. A Saskatoon pediatrician warns parents to take this seriously as COVID-19 is still a threat.
It's not true that children don't suffer complications from COVID. They do get admitted to the hospital. Some of them go to the ICU. Some of them even died in Saskatchewan and elsewhere in Canada. So it does happen. And even just to be sick is a big deal for a child and for their family.
Brynda Moore says the government will need to support families, especially those in rural areas, when the vaccine does roll out.
Having interpreters on site or having community leaders advertise the vaccine, having transportation support, having opening hours that are friendly for people who work during the day or who have multiple children to look after.
The vaccinations will be administered in doses 1/4 the size approved for adults. In a statement today, the province said it is ordering vaccinations right now. It's anticipating some guidance from NACI as to which kids will get the doses first. The province says it expects to roll out vaccinations the week of July 18th. Laura Sharpaletti, CBC News, Regina.